Hey, yo, let me tell you something. Life be tough. Life be rough. Just like the sole of Manuel's feet. Cause let me tell you something. This nigga got some stinky ass toes. It be smelling like those hoes out in the streets. They don't take baths. They be smelling like my cheese. You know, like, I got to tell you something, you know, like, I be digging in my nose to find some gold and I never find nothing. Today I spent like half an hour just digging in my nose trying to find some gold. Did I find something? No, I didn't find nothing.
I just found boogers.
And this nigga, he's over here. He don't want to take a shower. He says, you smell like my butt. I say, why? I don't smell like your butt. I took a shower today, you know. And this nigga, he has a bola right here. He has a huge bola. He has a huge bola right here. And he has another huge bola right here, like this. It looks like allergies. You see, like when I get my urticaria and when I get my angioedema, like I get so very... You see, let me tell you something. Every time I record, this phone always go off. You know, like I be getting text messages. Excuse me. Let me fix that. Text messages. There you go. Not sex messages. And like I was saying, you know. Oh, okay. So you see, his big ass feet is in my face, in my camera, and I got piojos. Like I need a monkey, you know. And I think I found the right person. He's over there. You already know. Look at this nigga. Hey yo, nigga, can you say something? Ooh. I caught it all on camera. This is our blog. This is for our blog. Our blog. Blog. Yo, say something. Let them see your bolas from your eyes. Come over here. Look at that Papi Chulo's bolas. Wait, time out.
No.
Come, Papi Chulo. Let them see those bolas. Wait, time out. You gotta turn over here because you can't. Wait, the bolas in your eyes. Right here. Look, this one. It's like allergies. You see this? It's like when I get angioedema. Hey, you got to turn your face over here like this. You see? This nigga is so nasty. So, Manny, what you got to say? Hey, yo, your mama's gonna watch this. She's gonna slap you like so very hard. And you're gonna be hot. Don't touch my lens. That's it. Don't touch my lens. I'm dead ass.
I didn't touch your lens.
Well, I'm just telling you before you do.
Slap. Well, the bitch slap.
You see? You talk real nasty. Your mama's gonna watch this and she's gonna spank that ass. She gonna park it on her lap and she's gonna spank that. You don't want that to happen. You better start respecting. You better recognize your ugly self looking like a monkey with your bolas on your eyes.
With your hands.
This nigga, he has no respect for nobody and for nothing. I sells you something. I sells you so much.
I sells you something, nigga.
So that's it. Let me go bye-bye because I don't know if I stop.